In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A3x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on security and privacy. Then scroll again to click on device unlock. Tap on face and fingerprint unlock here. And finally enter your screen lock to continue. Now hit face unlock, tap on I agree, choose start and hit next. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Finally hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!